What's up everyone, welcome to a new video from PerFinEx, the #1 English speaking and independent financial planner in Germany. Today with a video I wanted to make for about 8 months because we are live. We can finally accept applications to join our investing community. It has been a lot of work to make this as easy as possible for you. So without further ado, let's look at the easy application process that you can do in probably about 5 to 10 minutes straight from your phone. Some good news up front, the application process to join the investing community is completely online. You can do it with your smartphone or any other device that is connected to the internet. To join our investment community, you just need to click the first link in the description and open your investment account with Fidelity. I'll lead you through the process right now, but before that, let's talk about the 3 important requirements from Fidelity. First, you need a real physical address in Germany when applying, and you need to be a private person, so no company. Second, unfortunately, because of this FATCA regulation, US citizens are not allowed to join. If your country of birth is the USA, but you don't have the US citizenship anymore, that's fine. As long as you can prove it that you're not a US citizen, you can join the investing community. If you are a US citizen and still want to join, feel free to reach out on WhatsApp or book a free meeting. All contact information is also in the description. We'll find some workarounds. And lastly, you need a valid ID or passport to identify you. Most passports are accepted by post-ident. We'll talk about what this is later. I couldn't find a country that is not accepted. Except the US, of course. So now that we know the requirements to join the investing community, let's walk through the application process together. So follow me and click the first link in the description. First decision are the owners of the investment account. Is it one owner or is it 2 account owners? For example, if you open this investment account together with your spouse. And third option is if you open an investment account for your kids. Second decision is if you want a standard investment account or an investment account plus. The link to the Fidelity website is also in the description, which compares the different investment accounts. Let's just say that for probably most of you watching who just want to join the investing community, the standard investment account is just fine. Next is some personal data about you. As you can see, we translated everything in English, so you can follow along in case that you don't speak German. You're welcome. Next is more personal data about you, like your citizenship and your tax data. You don't need to give your tax ID now. But if you do, you could get the first 801 euros completely free of capital gains. All details in this video. And the last data field that is all about the contact data. Next, you can choose the bank account that you want to connect to your Fidelity investment account. This will make it easier later if you want to transfer money. Very similar to the SIP, the systematic investment plan for everyone's watching from India. And after you filled all the information, here's the overview to see if everything is correct before we come to the last easy check marks. Just in case you had a typo or something, with the blue pen in the top right corner of every gray box, you can change what you typed in previously. Lastly, we need 4 check marks. The first one here is that you accept the terms and conditions of Fidelity. Just in case you're super bored, go ahead and read it all. All the documents are linked here. And here are the last 3 check marks. First one is that you accept the data privacy terms from Fidelity. Second one is that you know that you have a legal right to withdraw from opening your Fidelity investment account. And last one is the SEPA connection between the bank account you've given previously to your new Fidelity investment account. And now, if you confirm that you're not a robot, you can complete your application by clicking the big blue button. And despite what it's saying here, your application is free. It's not costing you anything. Now that you've clicked the button, what's gonna happen? After finishing your application, you will get a couple of mails. Next step will be to identify yourself with post-ident. and you can choose how you would like to do this. You can choose to do it online with the Video Ident app. You can download it on Google Store or on the App Store, or you can go to the next German post store to identify yourself offline. When this is done and Fidelity finished setting up your account, they will send you 2 envelopes. One with login details and one with the security TAN list. Don't worry, this old school TAN list can be replaced with modern SMS TAN later on. Because you registered with our link, we will get notified once your investment account is active. So we will reach out to you to determine the right investing strategy for you. If you would like to get some input up front, here's the first video of our Investing in Germany series, showing you our 3 different predetermined investing strategy that I'm pretty sure you will like. And lastly, we will help you with the settings to make your investing experience as smooth as possible. We can set up reoccurring transfers or a one-time transfer, change your login data to something that you can remember or another password, changing the SMS TAN instead of this old school list, downloading the Fidelity app either on Google or on App Store so you can keep track of your investments straight from your smart device. See you again first Friday in December with the first status update how the investment community is doing. And if you don't want to check YouTube all the time for new videos, the last link in the description is the mailing list, so you get these regular investing updates straight to your inbox. Thank you for sticking with us through the months. It was certainly a tough journey to get here. Hopefully we will all be rewarded with big gains from now on. See you next Friday, investing friends.